Good afternoon, students. Today we will see about newer modes which are available in the mechanical ventilator. So number one will use inverse ratio ventilation. That is, normal ratio is I inspiration to expiration is 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2. Suppose 2 seconds we are taking inspiration, then 2.5 or 3 seconds we are going for expiration. That is called I ratio, inversion inspiration versus expiration ratio. So now whenever that is altered, inspiration is become 2, then it's become 1, then you have to change it. That is called inverse radio ventilation. We'll see in detail. Other one is a airway pressure release ventilation, that is APRV. Next one will be proportional assist ventilation, PAV. Another are the neutrally adjusted ventilator assisted mode. In that, naturally how the patient is getting relieved from the from mechanical ventilation via the weaning process, and that time just a minor support will be given to decrease the work of breathing, improve the ventilations of respiration. Other dual modes are that is volume assured pressure support. Here the volume as well as pressure will be together will be delivered. Next one will be the pressure regulated volume control. Here again the pressure is regulated and the volume is controlled. So these are the very fresh and new mode which is available in the mechanical ventilation. Now we will see other one, each one in detail. First one we will see the proportional assist ventilation. So what itself said is a proportionally assist the ventilation. Here the patient is allowed to take a spontaneous breathing. It can be assist can be done with the help of flow or volume. It will be triggered by the machine, either help of the flow produced by the patient, or the volume is restricted or volume is low, and it will be sensed by the machine, and it will be assisting the ventilation to complete the natural cycle of breathing. So this mode is where the pressure is applied by the ventilator in proportion to the patient generating the flow or volume, so that is ability to track the changes of the ventilatory effort produced by the patient along with the synchronization with the machine. So patient will not have to put extra effort, or patient will not be pushed back to stop breathing. Along with the PAV, you can use the CPAP, that is control positive airway pressure or continuous positive airway pressure. So ultimately it reducing the inspiratory muscles work and improve the exercise tolerance. Next will be the airway pressure release ventilation, APRV. So APRV is similar to as the CPAP, when patient is allowed to take breath spontaneously without any restriction, but during the exhalation time the pressure release will be reduced for 1 or 2 seconds. That is called the pressure release time. During that time the PEEP will be dropped to the almost lower level or to the neutral level, so the patient can do active exhalation, and this pressure release time for the PEEP will be hardly 1 or 2 seconds. So the patient is easily cope up with the APRV when patient is ratio is or I ratio has been altered. So expiration, most of the time inspiration is become longer and expiration is become shorter, but ideally in normal physiology should be 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2. So when we want to promote the expiration, we use such kind of modes. Here in this mode, along with the CPAP with the high flow, it can be allowed, so the patient can take a normal expiration even though the inspiration is supported by the mechanical ventilator, and patient is able to manage with the spontaneous breathing as well. And next is inverse ratio ventilation. The word itself says inverse ratio. What was the ratio was normal. Already we told that normal ratio was 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2, or many times it is 1 is to 3 in case of an aging population. But whenever this has been increased in number folds, then we have to convert them back to the normal. So we have to set the parameter in a 2:1 ratio or 4:1 ratio. So it will be slowly reversing and allow the patient to take more of the inspiration and decrease the expiration side and try to maintain his normal expiration, because already expiration is higher. So we have to reverse them to the inspiration should be increased, so automatically expiration will be decreased, and this is how the balance will be maintained. That is called as the inverse ratio ventilation, IRV. What are the uses of this IRV? Reduction in the intrapulmonary shunting, improvement in the VQ mismatch, decrease in the dead space ventilation, adverse effect obviously there is a barotrauma. These are the different newer kind of modes which are available newly with technologies. and old kind of ventilator does not have this such modes, so it is a advanced one. This is how the advanced mode will be used, and most of these this mode are using in the during the process of weaning. So the patient is able to relieve from the mechanical ventilator and ask the patient to take the natural breath. Or when so weaning, what is the weaning process? Weaning is normally gradually reduction in the ventilatory support and patient is remaining asymptomatic, then slowly we can ask the patient to take for the active supports from his own muscles as well as more flow and volume support. The next will be see in the what is the weaning process. Thank you.